Hi everyone. Today we are going to see a Python program to perform linear search in a list. What exactly is a linear search? Given an list in Python programming, which is nothing but an array of integers, we need to look with also given an element, given a list and an element, we need to look whether the element lies within the list or not. So this is how we are taking the input, my list. I'm just hard coding it. This is my list with certain amount of elements, and this is the element which we are trying to look whether it is in the my list or not. So we are trying to take it from console. That is why we are calling the input function. By default, input function will take the value as a string, but we need it in the form of an integer. So as my list consists of integer, so we are trying to call upon int method to convert the string to integer data type and store back into element. Now comes into picture how you are going to perform your linear search. So first initially we'll be taking a dummy variable as counter equal to 0. Okay. Then the logic behind this is compare this element with every element in the my list with the help of a for loop, which means compare your user in given element with 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, and 9. So whenever these two are equal, we'll be incrementing our counter. So do as such for all the elements. By the end of this for loop, if your counter is equal to 0 itself, which means we are not incrementing. We are not incrementing means you didn't find the element. So that is why we are trying to display that element is not found. Otherwise, if your counter is other than 0, if it got incremented, which means the element lies within the list. So we'll say we'll conclude it as a element found. So let us run it with the two use cases, one with an element found, one with an element not found. So let us run this. Sorry, we'll restart the kernel. So enter the number. So let us first give a number. So this is our list 1, 2, 5, 6. So let us give a number for 9, which is already there. So I'm trying to give a 9. Enter. So you can say that element found. So let us rerun it. Let us give an element 4, which is not there in the list. So I'll give a 4. Element not found. If you want to recheck it again, let us give another random